Hi everyone, Miss Anderson here with your science video of the day. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about weathering and erosion. And in order to fully understand what these two terms mean, we first have to understand who and what they affect. So first we're going to talk a little bit about landforms. There's many types of landforms all over the Earth, and the formal definition of this term is a feature of the Earth's surface that is part of its terrain. So let's take a minute and think to yourself, what are some types of landforms? I'll give you a hint. You're looking at one right now. So the first type of landform is a river. Moving on, you have a cliff, mountains, and even a canyon. So let's talk a little bit about weathering. So weathering is various mechanical and chemical processes that cause exposed rocks to decompose. So in other words, weathering is the process that breaks down bigger rocks into smaller rocks. So there's many types of weathering. There's erosion, thawing, freezing, oxidation, and biological. Today we're going to be talking about erosion. So the formal definition of erosion is the process in which the surface of the earth is worn away by the actions of water, glaciers, wind, wave, and many more. So let's see what erosion looks like in action. So to start out, I made some Lego houses. You'll see there's three physical structures. There's a red building, a building up front with a kind of gray triangle, and a blue building to the side. And it's on top of what appears to be a mountain. So what I did is I filled up a plastic cup with some water and held it over this mountain for about 5 seconds, and this is what happened. So you see what was once a mountain now has many different landforms in its place. So there's still the three physical structures, and you'll see that one of the physical structures kind of was knocked over, and what looks like a valley was created. Under this front gray structure, that looks like a lake was created, and the blue and white structure doesn't look like anything else really happened. But up front, you'll see that there appears to be a river and then another river off to its right. So this is what erosion looks like in action. It's taking those bigger particles, which was once a mountain, and breaking it down into much smaller particles and creating new landforms. We'll be talking a lot more about this in class, so if you make sure you write down any questions that you might have.